accidentally deleted a crucial file from Dropbox. Don't panic, because recovering it is easier than you think. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to bring back those lost files, so you'll never have to worry about accidental deletions again. First things first, access your Dropbox account. You can do this through the desktop application or by visiting the Dropbox website in your web browser. We'll be using the web interface for this demonstration. Once logged in, look for the Deleted Files option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. This will take you to a special section that lists all the files and folders you've recently removed. You'll see a list of items that are temporarily held before permanent deletion. Now, locate the file or folder you wish to restore. You can scroll through the list. Or, if you have many deleted items, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Once you found your item, you'll see a Restore button appear next to it. Simply click this button. Dropbox will then ask you to confirm the restoration. Click Restore. Again, to proceed, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your file is being restored. And just like that, your file is back. It will be placed right back into its original folder, exactly where it was before the accidental deletion. This process also works for folders, restoring all their contents. Remember, Dropbox keeps deleted files for a certain period, typically 30 days for free accounts and longer for paid plans, so act quickly if you realize you've made a mistake. Knowing how to restore deleted files is a powerful way to safeguard your data. For more helpful tech tips, be sure to subscribe.